Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What plant-based food company is known for creating meat alternatives? Is it A, Impossible Foods, B, Beyond Meat, or C, Morningstar Farms? It is A, Impossible Foods. What was the significant discovery made by Alexander Fleming in 1928? Is it A, penicillin, B, insulin, or C, vaccination? It is A, penicillin. What type of structure is Mont Saint-Michel primarily known for? Is it A, fortress, B, castle, or C, abbey? It is C, abbey. What does gravity do? Is it A, creates sound, B, repels light, or C, attracts objects? It is C, attracts objects. What instrument is piccolo known for playing in orchestras? Is it A, trumpet, B, flute, or C, violin? It is B, flute. What type of belief system does Wicca primarily focus on? Is it A, spirit possession, B, ancestor veneration, or C, nature worship? It is C, nature worship. Which body of water separates Africa from the Arabian Peninsula? Is it A, Mediterranean Sea, B, Red Sea, or C, Black Sea? It is B, Red Sea. What is the defining characteristic of a parabolic curve in mathematics? Is it A, straight line, B, circular shape, or C, U-shaped graph? It is C, U-shaped graph. Which programming language did Grace Hopper help develop that led to the creation of COBOL? Is it A, Flowmatic, B, Fortran, or C, Lisp? It is A, Flowmatic. What is the primary function of spore production in fungi? Is it A, photosynthesis, B, reproduction, or C, respiration? It is B, reproduction. Which musical concept is characterized by the absence of a tonal center or key? Is it A, harmony, B, atonality, or C, melody? It is B, atonality. What is the capital city of Trinidad and Tobago? Is it A, San Fernando, B, Scarborough, or C, Port of Spain? It is C, Port of Spain. What is dopamine primarily known as? Is it A, hormone, B, neurotransmitter, or C, enzyme? It is B, neurotransmitter. Which major U.S. river did John Wesley Powell lead a famous expedition to explore? Is it A, Colorado River, B, Mississippi River, or C, Missouri River? It is A, Colorado River. What weather condition is typically associated with a shelf cloud? Is it A, snowstorms, B, severe thunderstorms, or C, tornadoes? It is B, severe thunderstorms. What shape does a normal distribution graph have? Is it A, bell, B, square, or C, triangle? It is A, bell. What is the main ingredient used in the dish nasi goreng? Is it A, noodles, B, fried rice, or C, curry? It is B, fried rice. What term describes a lively, free-form musical composition? Is it A, capriccio, B, sonata, or C, concerto? It is A, capriccio. Which type of dance is traditionally associated with Tahitian culture? Is it A, Ori Tahiti, B. Ballet, or C. Flamenco? It is A. Ori Tahiti. What is the capital city of Azerbaijan? Is it A. Tashkent, B. Baku, or C. Yerevan? It is B. Baku. Which album by the Arctic Monkeys includes the hit song Do I Wanna Know? Is it A. AM, B. Whatever People Say I Am, or C. Favorite Worst Nightmare? It is A. AM. What position does Emmanuel Macron hold in France? Is it A. President, B. Prime Minister, or C. Mayor? It is A. President. What is Rick and Morty? Is it A. TV show, B. video game, or C. book series? It is A. TV show. What is the phenomenon called when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, blocking sunlight? Is it A. solar eclipse, B. lunar eclipse, or C. planetary transit? It is A. solar eclipse. What was one of the major achievements of the Tang Dynasty in China? Is it A. pottery, B. poetry, or C. astronomy? It is B. poetry. What is the official capital city of Belgium? Is it A. Brussels, B. Antwerp, or C. Ghent? It is A. Brussels. Which military formation was famously used by the Spartans in battle? Is it A line, B legion, or C phalanx? It is C phalanx. Where was the Maya civilization located? Is it A Mesoamerica, B South America, or C North America? It is A Mesoamerica. What type of game is Exploding Kittens primarily considered? Is it A. board game, B. card game, or C. video game? It is B. card game. What is the Melbourne Cup famous for? Is it A. music festival, B. culinary event, or C. horse racing? It is C. horse racing. What is the primary use of vanadium in industry? Is it A. water filtration, B. steel production, or C. batteries? It is B. steel production. What is the largest annual festival held in Montreal, known for celebrating jazz music? Is it A. Just for Laughs, B. Montreal Comic-Con, or C. Montreal International Jazz Festival? It is C. Montreal International Jazz Festival. What is the title of John Rawls's seminal work on political philosophy? Is it A. A Theory of Justice, B. The Social Contract, or C. The Republic? It is A. A Theory of Justice. What is the largest city in Pakistan? Is it A. Karachi, B. Lahore, or C. Islamabad? It is A. Karachi. What is a distinguishing feature of Arcus clouds? Is it A. roll cloud formation, B. thunderstorm activity, or C. high altitude? It is A. roll cloud formation. Which television program is Jon Stewart best known for hosting? Is it A. Saturday Night Live, B. The Daily Show, or C. The Tonight Show? It is B. The Daily Show. Which popular waltz is Johann Strauss known for composing? Is it A. The Blue Danube, B. The Nutcracker, or C. The William Tell Overture? It is A. The Blue Danube. Which planet in our solar system is known as the Red Planet? Is it A. Jupiter, B. Venus, or C. Mars? It is C. Mars. What is the name of the financial services company co-founded by Jack Dorsey that focuses on mobile payments? Is it A. PayPal, B. Stripe, or C. Square? It is C. Square. What is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum? Is it A. Protein synthesis, B. Energy production, or C. Waste disposal? It is A. Protein synthesis. What is the main theme of Lady Gaga's song Born This Way? Is it A. Heartbreak, B. Self-acceptance, or C. Adventure? It is B. Self-acceptance. In Greek mythology, what type of tree is a dryad associated with? Is it A. Pine tree, B. Oak tree, or C. Willow tree? It is B. Oak tree. What is the primary concept introduced by Charles Darwin in his theory of evolution? Is it A. Genetic mutation, B. Natural selection, or C. Spontaneous generation? It is B. Natural selection. What is the primary color of the mineral sodalite? Is it A. Blue, B. Green, or C. Red? It is A. Blue. Which hit song is Usher famous for that features the lyrics "Yeah" prominently? Is it A. Confessions, B. Burn, or C. Yeah? It is C. Yeah. What type of organism are bacteria? Is it A. Viruses, B. Eukaryotes, or C. Prokaryotes? It is C. Prokaryotes. What typically influences CEO tenure? Is it A. Market fluctuations, B. Board approval, or C. Shareholder pressure? It is B. Board approval. What concept does quantum foam relate to in physics? Is it A. Dark matter, B. Energy conservation, or C. Space-time structure? It is C. Space-time structure. What type of muscle is found in the heart? Is it A. Cardiac muscle, B. Smooth muscle, or C. Skeletal muscle? It is A. Cardiac muscle. What big cat is known for its spots and agility? Is it A. Tiger, B. Leopard, or C. Lion? It is B. Leopard. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.